Samsung Nexus S, first Android NFC phone shown. 2013, Samsung and Visa announced major partnership to develop mobile payments. NFC standard. NFC was approved as an ISO IEC standard on December 8, 2003 and later as an ECMA standard. ISO IEC 18092, ECMA 340, Near Field Communication Interface and Protocol 1. Working. As with the proximity card technology, near field communication uses magnetic induction between the two loops antennas located within each other near field, effectively forming an air code transformer. NFC always involves an initiator and a target. The initiator actively generates an RF field signal that can power a passive target. Specification. NFC is a set of short-range wireless technology typically requiring a distance of 10 cm or less. NFC operates at 13.56 MHz on ISO IEC 18003 air interface and at rates ranging from 106 kilobits to 424 kilobits per second. It operates with the globally available and unlicensed radio frequency ISM band. Communication mode. Using NFC, communication could take place between two active devices such as cell phones called active mode or even between an NFC device and a passive tag called passive mode. In active mode, both the initiator and the target generate the RF signal on which the data is carried, while in passive mode, RF signal is generated only by the initiator and target communicates back to the initiator using a technique called load modulation. Passive communication mode. The initiator device provides a carrier field and the target device answers by modulation the existing field. In this mode, the target device may draw its operating power from the initiator provided electromagnetic field, thus making the target device a transp. Active communication mode. Both initiator and target device communicate by alternately generating their own field. A device deactivates its RF field while it is waiting for data. In this mode, both devices typically have power supplies. Modes of operation. NFC has three major operations: peer-to-peer, reader-writer, and card emulator. In card emulator mode, the data is copied from a NFC-enabled mobile device to NFC reader. The most important feature of the card emulation mode is elimination of physical object and providing access control through users' respective smartphones. In reader-writer mode, data is copied